Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about table napkin folding. Basically, we do the table napkin fold to the table looks a beautiful, and there have a different shapes of table napkin foldings. What is a table napkin? A small piece of table linen that is used to wipe the mouth and to cover the lap in order to protect clothing. Why is table napkin important and how important is it, and why is there a need to learn different table napkin folding? A napkin, when creatively folded, enhance the look of your table and the dining experience. There are many ways to fold the cloth napkin, so choose one that reflects your style and personality. Select napkin with threads that are firmly woven, such as cotton or linen, because fold will hold better. You may also starch the napkins lightly to make it easier to fold. Styles for table napkin folding. The pyramid napkin fold. This is a classy napkin folding techniques, is a simple, fast and can be made easily with most napkin if the napkin being used is thin or flops easily, then iron it with light starch prior to folding and it will turn out perfectly. Lay the napkin in a face down front of you. Fold the napkin in half diagonally. Rotate the napkin so the open end face away from you. Fold the right end up to meet far corners, ensuring the edge of the new fold lay on the center line as shown. Repeat the last step with the last side, folding the left tip up to far corner, creating a diam- diamond shape with a seam running down the center. Turn the napkin over, keeping open and facing away from you. Fold the napkin in half by bringing the fastest point of the diamond up and back the nearest point. Turn the napkin over again and this time keeping the open and facing towards you. Folding the napkin along the center seam and you have neat and sturdy pyramid. If your napkin want to stand neatly, then you may need a little starch. The arrow napkin fold. This method of folding napkin is very simple and can be done with the almost any napkin without a need of starch. It adds a flowing, elegant look to your table. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.